Did you know that squats can do more than just tone your legs? It's a common misperception that squats are only good for building up your leg muscles, like your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves. But squats are so much more than a leg workout. This powerful exercise is actually a full body workout, offering a host of benefits that extend far beyond your legs. When you incorporate squats into your daily routine, you're not just working your leg muscles, you're engaging your core, enhancing your balance and stability, and promoting fat burning and muscle growth for a more efficient metabolism. Squats can also improve your athletic performance by boosting your mobility and coordination, making daily activities easier and reducing the risk of injury. But the benefits of squats don't stop there. This simple exercise can also contribute to your mental well-being, boosting your mood and confidence. Let's dive into the wonderful world of squats and their far-reaching benefits. Imagine a single exercise that boosts your overall fitness. Yes, that's squats for you. They're more than just a leg workout. They're a powerhouse of benefits that can supercharge your physical fitness. Let's start with balance and stability. Squats are an incredible way to engage your core muscles. Every time you lower yourself into a squat and rise back up, your abdominal and back muscles are working overtime to keep you steady. This core engagement not only strengthens these muscles, but also improves your balance and stability, making you less prone to falls and injuries. Now, let's talk about fat burning and muscle growth. Squats target not just your quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, but also your glutes, the largest muscle group in your body. When these large muscles work, they burn more calories than smaller muscle groups, even at rest. This makes squats a fantastic exercise for anyone looking to shed a few pounds or tone their body. Plus, the more muscle you build, the more efficient your metabolism becomes, helping you maintain a healthy weight. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats also enhance your athletic performance. They improve your mobility, coordination, and power, making you better at pretty much any physical activity, whether it's running, jumping, or lifting heavy objects. So whether you're an athlete or someone who just wants to make daily tasks easier, squats can be a game changer for you. And let's not forget about bone and joint health. By placing a controlled strain on your legs and core, squats can help maintain bone density and joint flexibility, which are crucial for aging gracefully. So, squats are not just about stronger legs, they're about a stronger you. They're a full body workout that can transform your physical fitness and empower you to live a healthier, more active life. Remember, every squat you do is a step towards a stronger, fitter you. So why not make squats a part of your daily routine? Your body and mind will thank you for it. Ever thought squats could be your secret to aging gracefully? Well, it's time to consider this powerful exercise in a new light. Squats, in fact, play a crucial role in maintaining bone and joint health. As we perform squats, our bodies are subjected to a bearable amount of stress. This stress signals our bones to become denser, thereby reducing the risk of osteoporosis, a common ailment in older adults. Squats also ensure that our joints remain flexible and lubricated, thus minimizing the likelihood of arthritis. Moreover, squats aid in the efficient circulation of nutrients around our body, promoting overall health. They help in the detoxification process and enhance our immune system. So, the next time you're squatting, remember you're doing more than just toning your legs. You're fortifying your bones, keeping your joints healthy, and boosting your body's vitality. With squats, you are not only building a better body, but also a healthier future. Squats are not just a physical exercise, they're a mood booster too. When we squat, our bodies release endorphins, those feel-good hormones that create a sense of happiness and euphoria. So, not only do you strengthen your legs, but you also uplift your spirits. But the benefits don't stop there. Squats also improve our cognitive function. The increased blood flow to the brain during a squat session enhances our mental sharpness, keeping our minds as agile as our bodies. Furthermore, the discipline and consistency required to incorporate squats into your daily routine can build mental resilience. It teaches us that we are capable of overcoming challenges and achieving our goals, which in turn boosts our self-confidence. Squats can also aid in stress relief. The physical exertion of a good squat session can help to alleviate tension, allowing you to better manage the stresses of daily life. Squats are truly a complete exercise, transforming not just your body but also your mind. So, are squats just about toning your legs? Absolutely not. As we've discovered today, squats are a powerhouse of benefits that extend far beyond the legs. They strengthen your core, improve balance, boost metabolism, and enhance athletic performance. Squats also contribute to bone and joint health, and they even have a positive impact on mental well-being. So, embrace the power of squats in your daily fitness routine. Incorporate squats into your daily routine and witness a transformation beyond just